If you're choosing between Yuzu, Ryujinx, and Eden, this isn't just Switch Emulator versus Switch Emulator. It's performance versus compatibility versus future potential. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. Yuzu is known for its excellent performance and early adoption of game optimizations. Many users preferred it because it could run demanding games well even on mid-range hardware. But here's the catch. Active development stopped in 2024, so compatibility improvements and bug fixes have largely come to an end. Ryujinx focused more on accuracy and game compatibility. It became the go-to emulator for users who wanted the highest chance of a game working correctly. Many titles that had issues elsewhere often work better on Ryujinx. The downside is that it can require slightly stronger hardware than Yuzu for similar performance. Eden is a newer project aiming to continue Switch emulation development going forward. It has attracted attention because it builds on previous emulator knowledge while trying to improve compatibility and performance. The downside is maturity. It simply hasn't been tested by as many users as Yuzu or Ryujinx. So the real difference is this. Yuzu focuses on speed, Ryujinx focuses on accuracy, and Eden focuses on future development. So which Switch emulator is better? Choose Yuzu if you want strong performance and already have a setup that works well. Choose Ryujinx if you want the best overall compatibility and the most proven experience. Choose Eden if you want to follow the newest actively evolving project. Bottom line, if you're looking at the current state of Switch emulation, Ryujinx is generally the strongest overall choice because it offers the best balance of compatibility, stability, and usability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.